So, Wall Street kicked off the week with a serious burst of energy. Hey everyone, it's Tuesday morning, November 11th, and welcome back to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Sella, here to break down yesterday's market action in just 2 minutes. Quick note before we dive in, today's episode is brought to you by AMF Capital Asset Management Frankfurt. Learn more about our funds and strategies at amf-capital.de. Alright, let's get started. Tech stocks roared back to life on Monday, leading a broad market rally as investors cheered signs that Washington might finally be close to ending the record-breaking government shutdown. The Nasdaq jumped more than 2.2%, putting it back near record territory. The Standard & Poor's 500 climbed about 1.5%, and the Dow gained roughly 0.8%, or more than 350 points. The optimism came after a weekend of political deal-making. A new funding bill cleared a key hurdle in the Senate late Sunday night after enough Democrats joined Republicans to push it forward. If it passes, the bill would reopen the government through the end of January, but it still needs final approval from both chambers, and its path in the House remains uncertain. Now, even with that progress, the shutdown's economic damage has already been felt. Consumer confidence has fallen to near-record lows, key federal data releases have been delayed, and the Federal Reserve has been flying blind on policy decisions. Even inflation reports like the CPI and PPI could be delayed if the shutdown drags on. Still, Monday's rally came as a sigh of relief after last week's turbulence, especially in tech. Nvidia had been at the center of concerns about overheated AI valuations, but on Monday it surged almost 6%. Tesla and Google also gained more than 3% each, helping lift the whole sector. Investors are now shifting their focus to the last wave of earnings for this quarter. Some of the names to watch include CoreWeave, Oklo, and Rocket Lab in the tech space, while Disney and Paramount Skydance will provide a checkup on the entertainment industry later this week. So yeah, between political progress, a strong tech rebound, and some renewed optimism, Wall Street's Monday mood was finally a little lighter. Alright, that wraps up today's Capital Markets Quickie. Join me again tomorrow morning for more market updates. See you then.